Hello everyone. I hope everyone is preparing well for their board exams. So, for those who don't know me, my name is Hoshit SM and I am the creator of this channel, SMSJ Void Disciple. So, for those people who are new to this channel, I create live streams which help people to to study focus. So, as you know that I'm a class 10 student and I have my board exams going on. So I have my computer paper day after tomorrow, which is on 23rd of March. So I am preparing for this board exam because I don't think that my other papers were, like that good. So I hope that everyone scores good in the computer subject. So if you guys have your computer paper on 23rd of March, then type in the live chat, I have computer. Okay. So now, without any time pass, let's start doing programming. System monitor to accept the data using the scanner class. To accept data. Okay. Scanner is equal to scanner system scanning system monitor. First thing control. Okay, so system monitor dot parent zero enter the name, enter the name of the customer. Okay, enter the name of the so I just take it directly. So n is equal to n is equal to n dot next line n dot next line and double bin will calculate it later. NOC is equal to n dot next in dot next end. Okay, so we got in dot next end here. So we have accept the data. Okay, so we will input bill also. Bill is equal to in the next in the next int. Okay, so in the next int. Okay, so now next function is to print this. So print void print. Okay, the second thing to do, so why print to print the details. Okay, system dot system dot println system dot println the name of the customer is and then enter the name of the customer. Okay, so the bill, then we have new agent rate. Okay, so here I'm going to void calculate. Okay, so I'm going to void calculate. So after going to void calculate, so I need to calculate it. Okay, so if number of calls, so if in the first condition, so bill. Okay, so if NOC is equal to, if NOC is less than condition, yes, it is. If NOC is less than or equal to 100, bill equals to 0. Okay, then here if NOC, so the next 100 calls, so the next 100 calls, first 100 calls, and it's really greater than 100. If it is greater than, if it is greater than 100, greater than 100, and if it is less than or equal to 200, because the next 200 calls, no? Then more than 200 calls, okay? Next 200, then the bill will be, so bill is equal to 1.5, the bill is equal to 1.5 into 1.5 into NOC, 1.5 into NOC, okay? Then on the next condition, so if number of calls is greater than 200, if also is greater than 200, then the bill will be equal to, so price will be 2.5, so 2.5 into number of calls. Okay, so since it's 2.5 number of calls, okay, so now this will be the bill value. Now when we go to our white print area, okay, so now we go to the white. Okay, so the number of calls is equal to plus NOC, then the bill to be paid is equal to plus bill. Okay, so now we did it all. Now we only need to invoke it from our main method. So if we go here and if I type public static void main, public static void main, public static void main string dogs. So if I go here public static void main string dogs, and if I not as connectors, just input source function name telephone, right? So it will be telephone OB is equal to new telephone created, so object is created. So now what I will do is OB dot input, no, oh yes, OB dot input. After OB dot input, then we got OB dot calculate, OB dot calculate, and then we got OB dot rent. Okay, so now we have finished invoking it from our main method. So let's say it's compile on. Okay, so we'll stop it. Okay, so extra one. So let's compile it. Yes. Can be the thing here. Okay. Okay. So now let's do another program. Okay. So let's do this. Courier company. TTDC is a company which charges for a courier based on the weight of the parcel. Define a class with the following specifications. Class name courier. Okay, so class name is courier. Okay, so class name is courier. Okay, so if the class name is courier, then okay, so let's start creating the class. So public class courier, let's do this import java dot util dot slash this one. Okay, so now what are the member variables? So name. So we should only choose the proper name things and all. Okay, so let's do this. So name will be always one string. So it will be string name. Okay, then after string name weight. So weight I'm gonna keep it in int. But for easy calculation I'll I don't think so there will be anything. So I'll just go with int. So int weight, just type it in int weight. Okay, so after int weight, then string address, string address, string address, string address double. No, just keep it int bill. After int bill type. So type it will be char type. Okay, so char type. Okay, so now the first thing. So void accept. So the first function it will be void accept. So void accept will be the first function. So the first function to accept the details using the methods of scanner class. So the methods of scanner class. So scanner is equal to new scanner new scanner system dot in. Okay, so new scanner system dot in. So now we need to input these details. So string name, void calculate and all. Okay, so name is equal to in dot next line. Okay, dot next line. Then weight is equal to in dot next double. Okay, so then we have address is equal to in dot next double. Okay, so address is equal to in dot next double. Then we got type. So type is equal to in dot next. Okay, then a bracket. Then we have char at 0 in dot next dot char at 0. Okay, so now we got all our number around it. Now we're gonna go and write calculate. So my new function void calculate. Okay, we're doing void calculate. So let's do the thing. Okay, so now to accept the details using the methods of scanner class only. To accept okay, to calculate the bill, weight in kg, then rate per kg. So if it is greater than 5 and less than 10, then it is about 10. That's all. Okay, so if it is 800 kilo. Okay, so if statement. So weight, if weight is greater than or if it is less than or equal to 5, then the bill is equal to 800 800 800 into 800 into so 5 800 into weight 800 into weight because rate per kg, so 800 into weight. Okay, then again if weight is greater than 5 and weight is less than and weight is less than or equal to 10, then bill is equal to 700 700 into 700 into weight. Okay, so 700 into weight. Then again if condition if weight is greater than 10 kg, then the bill will be equal to 500 500 into 500 into weight. Okay, so 500 into weight. So now we have calculated the bill. Now we need to print it. So now if we go with the void printer, so if we go with void print, so the first thing, so system error print telling the name of the courier, sorry. So name of the courier, name of the courier is plus name. Okay, then we have the next one, weight. Let's go with address first. Okay, then we have address of the parcel is equal to plus address. Then after we have type weight of the parcel is equal to plus weight plus weight. Okay, and we have the type of so the type of courier type type of courier plus courier. No, it will be plus type. Okay, this is the print again. Yes. enter the Korean name of your weight. Your weight. Okay. Okay. So for weight, so for weight it will be enter the weight of the parcel. Okay. Then after weight, enter the address. Okay. Then after that, not enter the type of courier. Enter the type of courier. Okay. Finished. Enter the type of courier void print. Okay. So now we have already finished it. Now the next thing, system of a print element, the bill to be paid. The bill to be paid is equal to plus bill. Okay. So now we only need to invoke it from a main class. So public static void main, public static void main instant box. Okay, so then after that we create an object, so since it's courier, so courier OB is equal to new courier. Courier OB is equal to new courier required variable. Okay, the amount to be paid. Next we to required variable from value. And being the confirmation next. Okay. This is about the address is about next line. Rate is double. Okay, so visible music conversions from double to nth. Whole voices. Whatever is in, just make it double. Whatever is in, just make it double. Okay. Now I guess everything should be fine. Required variable from value to the here. Right into input. Condition this last one is m if type equals to I, bill is equal to bill plus What is it? Open this classical plus yes. Now it's running this required variable from documents. Check it. For this variable is ob dot accept ob dot accept. Okay, then we write ob dot calculate ob dot calculate. Then we write ob dot this copy that whole thing and we go to Gemini and we check what is the right one. Okay. Scanner number in Excel. Enter key. Next line. And next double doesn't consume the enter key press. Next double. This means in dot next line for the address. In dot next line for the address. Skip immediately. We need an extra in dot next line to place the buffer. Logic overlapping. Calculate using multiple statements of what else if C save potential and one thirty support. Syntax intent you have taken the last one plus potential. Oh, I see, I see. Okay. This one, it should be plus B. You have type in. Okay, then. Mm, total bill plus bill, that's the same thing what I have written here. Can't you see why can't it? The variable is specific to this. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. So I written plus equals to. Okay, okay. Understood. Thank you. Okay, so we have done two constructors program. I'll do another one constructor program while finish it. Okay. Number of hours, rate, okay. So define a class security. Data numbers to store the security personnel. Into so the number of hours. Double R to store the hourly rate. Then double W to calculate the wages. So R is equal to 1 into 40. calculate the wages. So wages is equal to rate. Okay, so if H is less than equal to R is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 into R. Okay, okay. To accept the name, rate and number of hours. R is equal to rate is to accept it to initialize it later. Okay, okay. Yes, you can do this. So caps A security. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. Import Java dot import Java dot is that all? Okay, so now we want to input the data numbers. So it will be string n1 int h double r double w y get. Okay, to accept the name, rate, and number of hours worked. Okay, so enter the number of hours worked. Mhm. Shit. Okay, so okay, 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 so let's do this in our println. Enter the name of the person. So n is equal to in dot next line because it's a string. Then we have to store the rate. So rate will be calculated later.